This is the Sterling Sahara apartment complex in Nevada. According to Owen, who did the access control here, it is pretty dang big. As I talk to installers, they often tell me that SureFi is the only affordable option that makes access control possible in many situations. When you need a signal through more than a mile of obstruction or through really heavy obstruction, SureFi can help. Our bridges are daisy chain capable, which means you can use 2 or more pairs of bridges to get a stronger signal or to disseminate the signal at multiple locations. For example, from a long-range RFID reader to a gate opener, then to a call box. In this video, I am going to go over the wiring when daisy chaining 2 SureFi Wiegand bridges. I'm going to use our teaching box here that has a Wiegand remote interface, a keypad, and a little door lock and a request to exit button on the one side, and then it goes over to this controller side that has a little makeshift controller and the Wiegand control interface. What I have done for daisy chaining is the remote interface that is paired with this control interface is right here. We're going to put it in this box. This remote interface is paired with this controller interface, and it goes halfway between the 2 points. Then we're going to daisy chain it to this controller interface, which is paired with the remote interface at our keypad with our lock and exit switch. So let's start by getting my power connected. I do not have this connected on the other end to power yet. Okay, once we get power connected, now we've got power hooked up, we are going to wire in the relay to open the gate switch or the door lock. So it goes from the controller interface to the R1 in and ground on here, and this controller interface will go to this remote interface, and the R1 is yellow. So we are going to go from the common to the ground on the other controller interface, and from the R1 normally open to the R1 in. Once we are connected to power, it should allow for the keypad to trigger the lock. This is how you would wire up a daisy chain for more range through heavier obstruction, or if you wanted a relay point somewhere in the middle.